Businessman Wikino Chivhayo is waded into ZANU-PF's simmering succession battle, appearing to take a veiled swipe at Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, who him described as ambitious though hopeless individual. Sabina mashoko buda pangwani Chivhayo chiti Chiwenga is ambitious though hopeless individual. Not bo subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina panapa muzimu aya vanomudanyira chiti. In a lengthy post on X, Chivhayo lauded Mnangagwa as a listening president, a man of his word, and a leader par excellence. He went on to warn that he called ambitious, though hopeless individuals, that the presidency was not a position to be seized at will. Presidency is not a position which one simply just wakes up and takes over, Chivhayo declared. It only comes with God's anointing and approval. Without the support of the church and without a divine grace, no one can lead a nation. To fight against a leader chosen by God is to fight God himself. His comments are widely seen as a thinly veiled jab at Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, who is locked in a factional battle with the Mnangagwa loyalists over who should occupy the presidency after 2028, when the Mnangagwa's constitutional 2 terms are set to end. Pro-Mnangagwa loyalists, including Chivhayo, have been openly pushing for the president to extend his stay in office beyond the 2-term limit, while Chiwenga's faction is believed to be positioning the former army commander to take over. Chivhayo's intervention underscores growing tensions within the ruling party, where rival camps are increasingly trading indirect barbs through public statements and social media posts. The flamboyant businessman, known for his close ties to the Mnangagwa family, has in recent years been an outspoken defender of president, often blending political messaging with religious overtones. Thomas Paruda Pangwa Inwe arutopwa na Chivhayo chataka Chiwenga achimuti aiwa is just an ambitious though hopeless individual. Mashoko aruda Pangwa Inwe wanashamisika aiwa Chivhayo achitaura mashoko akadai kuna VP Constantino Chiwenga. Pina kuma section medu mzima funguro enyi motu kulipa mzorbe chitu ichi. So subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.